This is our Baileigh 5-foot by 10-foot CNC plasma table. Just giving you a view. It's got very limited hours. These are all the original components to the table. Bridge. There's the torch. Showing more of the table. This is an A120 thermodynamics plasma that is integrated with the machine itself. Its capacity is 5/8 to 3/4 of an inch. This is the control panel. These are all the can cycles, many different shapes that can be programmed right from the control, like as in conversational. Two, another page. I'm gonna move the machine now. You'll be able to see X going back. Y moving away. Y. You can see Y on the display. Bringing it a little bit closer. You can control the torch distance from the table. Coming down. Going up. There's a display for that. Showing a little bit more of the machine. Control. Plasma. Table. Machine was built in 2014 and is still a current model. Thank you for watching.